everyone, welcome to Uncluttered by Susan. My name is Susan Raposa. In today's session, we're going to talk about the Lawless linen closet. In this video, you'll learn to unclutter and organize bathroom storage. This includes linen closets, cabinets, and drawers. Now let's take a minute to look at my bathroom storage. Now, I organized this about 6 months ago. You can't tell, can you? Stuff is falling over, things are beginning to stack up on itself. It's just a mess. Does that ever happen to you when all of your organizing efforts becomes undone within a week or a month? My God, that is so frustrating. And you know, the reason it happens is we simply have too much stuff. When you organize without decluttering, you're simply moving your things from one place to another. And in addition, if you go shopping and buy stuff, you're adding to the clutter, and before you know it, all of your storage units are a mess. So my goal today is to not only organize, but declutter so that I don't have to do this again. Are you ready to join me? Let's go. The first thing you need to do is take everything out of your linen closet, cabinets, and drawers. At this point, it's also a good idea to go through each of your rooms to find bathroom items that might be scattered throughout the house, such as aspirin bottles, nail clippers, hair ties, combs, brushes, etc. Once you have gathered all of your bathroom items, spread them out on a flat surface so you can see everything. I would also recommend setting up a few boxes, one for donations, one for stuff that needs to be relocated throughout your house, and one for items you're going to throw away or recycle. Now, let's get started sorting. So here we are. I have all of my bathroom products spread out all over the table. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to work on the bigger things so we can just get them out of the way. I'm often asked, how many towels should we have? Rule of thumb is usually 2 towels per person and then maybe 2 or 3 extra guest towels. Now, I have 3 guest towels put away in my spare bathroom. So these are the ones that I currently have in my husband and I's bathroom. So technically I need 4 towels. What you're going to see here is I have about 10. So I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to donate 6 of them. Now, also, how many hand towels should I have? I go for 2 hand towels, one for use and one for wash. So here we are. I have all of my towels that I need. Everything else got donated. Okay. The next thing we're going to want to work on is large appliances, hair dryers, curling irons, heating pads. Let's get those pulled together and also get them off the table so we have more room. With all the big stuff out of the way, it's now time to sort through the rest of the stuff. You can start by sorting things by category. Now, there's a few ways to do this. You can sort by type or by person. For example, to sort by type, you might group things by dental supplies, medication, hair products, or makeup. Or to sort by person, you might have a box or a pile for mom, for dad, for your son, for your daughter, etc. For me personally, I use a hybrid method, both by person and by type. So for those things that only I use, they'll go into a Susan pile. For those things that my husband uses, they'll go into an Ernie pile. And for everything else, they'll be sorted by type. So let's go ahead and get this stuff sorted. Okay, so I've gone through and I've organized my bathroom products. I have my husband's things here. I have my stuff kind of here by category, by makeup, by lotions, by hair products. I have all my medications here. I've got my cleaning products, I've got my dental products, and I've got my bars of soap. So everything's organized, or everything is sorted. Now it's time to organize it. I'm going to use some supplies, some organization supplies that I already have. So I'm going to use these little baskets here. I have about 5 or 6 of them. I bought at Target many, many years ago. These run about $12 each, I believe. I want to stress that you don't have to spend a lot of money for organizing. You can go to the Container Store and buy all kinds of fancy boxes if you want to and spend a fortune. And, and if that's what you want to do, that's great. You can go to Target like I did, and I bought some boxes years ago for about $12. But you can also go to the dollar store. They have some great containers that you can get there for $1. Or if you don't want to spend any money, you can use a cardboard box. I'm going to put my cleaning supplies in here, so whatever fits your budget, whatever fits your desired aesthetic, knock yourself out. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put all of my products in their storage units. So now everything's been put away. Let's go check it out. Thank you for watching this session on the Lawless linen closet. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my blog at theintrovertedminimalist.net. There you'll learn more about uncluttering and minimalism. So until then, cheers.